So hi guys, welcome to Learn Python with me. Here we'll learn Python together. Like even I'm also on the beginner level of beginner level in the Python, so that uh, I can share whatever I'm learning with you guys, so that you can also simultaneously learn with me. And yeah, we'll be on the same page. I'll be sharing whatever I've learned on that specific day with you guys, so that you can follow up with me. So the first thing I would suggest you to do is that uh, you guys go to YouTube and you can you can type like Python setup and in the Visual Code or any of the IDE, and you can set up your Python easily within 10-15 minutes. It's not a big deal actually. So yeah. So there are multiple data types. So today we'll start with the data types first of all. So there are multiple data types in Python. Data types are nothing but, like the name suggests, these are the data types. Uh, these are the types of data which is present, like the numbers, the decimal point numbers, or the characters. So uh, we'll learn about all the major data types which are present in Python. So first we'll start with integers, uh, which we type is at int, and this integer data type will only have the whole numbers such as 3, 300, and 2, 1200, 200, sorry. And we have a floating point which is typed as float, and this floating point number will have decimal point values like 2.3, 4.6, and 100.0. Yes, 100.0 is also a floating point data type. Since it is having a decimal point, it will be considered as float only. Then we have strings data type. Strings data types are order sequence of characters. Means, like so first thing is that strings are written in double quotes, and it's a order sequence. Like each character will have its order number basically. Like it starts from zero and it goes like zero, E will be one, L will be two, like this. Uh, and it's in order like zero, one, two, three, like this. And in strings we can write anything, like the character, like words, numbers, or even special character as well. And it is typed as str. Then we have lists. So lists are order sequence of objects, means the same thing. It has an order, like it starts from zero, this will be one, then this will be two. So the character which is coming after comma is considered as whole character. Like this hello, this string. See, so since this is in double quotes, this is a string. If this was in if this would have been in a single quote, then we would have considered this as well. Like it doesn't matter if it is in a single quote or a double quote, it will be considered as string only. And this is a integer character as we have learned, and this is a float. So a list can have uh, all types of data, and it will be in a ordered sequence, so that in future, suppose I want only this hello, I want to take a hello from this list, so I can directly uh, uh, I'll directly type the what you say, sequence ID or a sequence number. Like this is zero and this is one. So I want the one character from the list. So I'll basically query this only. So that's why it is called as ordered sequence of objects. Then we have dictionaries. Dictionaries are unordered key value pairs. Okay, so these will not have the value, this will not have the ordered sequence as the list are having. Okay, but the dictionaries are the key value pairs basically. Like there will be a key, and for that particular key, there'll be some value attached to it. So for my key, the my key's value is value, and name key's value is Frankie. So whenever we'll query this key name, we'll get this Frankie value. Okay. And in one dictionary, we can't have duplicate keys. Basically, we can have duplicate values. Like uh, two persons can have a name Frankie, but their key should be different. Like their keys can't be same. We'll look at this in detail after some time. Then we have tuples or tuples. Tuples are ordered immutable sequence of objects. So as of like till now, you should know you would have gotten the idea about the ordered word. The immutable means it can't be changed. In the case of list and dictionaries, we can change the list values. We can assign some different values uh, in the values present in the list or dictionaries, but we can't do that with tuples basically. So in simple words, these are unchangeable. We can't change the already created tuples. Basically, we have to create new ones. We can't modify it basically. Then we have sets. Sets are unordered collection of unique objects. Means, see, first of all, they are unordered. There is no particular order. And the second thing is that they're unique objects. Means you can't have duplicate objects in sets basically. Or whatever object is present in sets, it will be unique only. Then we have booleans. So logical value indicating true or false. So booleans are nothing but true or false. Like uh, in future we'll use this. Like if this, then if this is true, then do this. If this is false, then do this. So we'll use it in this way. Or there are multiple use cases. We'll look about booleans. So yeah, you. I guess this is enough regarding the data types. And once we start doing the practicals, I guess you'll get a better idea about this. So yeah, thank you guys for looking and thank you so much. Bye.